Unbox 40,000 naira worth of sewing tools and accessories I got on Temu with me. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, you're welcome to Sew with Mediva. And if you're a returning subscriber or a returning viewer, thank you for sticking to my channel. So in today's video, we're going to be unboxing these sewing tools and accessories I got on Temu. Search code alc383570 as displayed on the screen in the Temu app for 100,000 naira coupon bundle. So without wasting much time, let's jump right into the unboxing video. So the first thing on our list is this 11 pieces low shank snap-on sewing machine presser fit set. So it's a set of different sewing machine presser fit, and it includes the pleating foot, the invisible zipper foot, the zipper foot, 3mm roll of lace presser foot, 3mm roll of lace presser foot, nail button pressing foot, sewing presser foot, a quilt presser foot, roller foot, buttonhole presser foot, embroidered presser foot, and the blind stitch presser foot. So we have these different presser foot in this box, and I can't wait to try it out. So I got this for 8,494 naira as at the time of purchase. Remember, the prices may differ, it might be more or less when you are buying your. So I'll set this aside now. I will move to the next item. So the next item on our list is this portable manual handheld sewing machine. So I've been seeing this particular thing online, but I really don't know how it works. So when you open the carton, this is what it looks like. It's a manual sewing machine. It's handheld, and this is what we have. So I have not tried this out. Of course, in another video, I'm going to show you guys how all this I'm going to put it into practice and show you guys how it works. But this is exactly what it looks like. It has a bobbin on this side, and I got this one for 4,662 naira as at the time of purchase. So I'll set this aside now because we have so many things to unbox in this video. So the next item on our list is this 80 pieces set 9.5mm metal snap buttons, as you can see, and it also came with fastener pliers that we use to fix it. This is what it looks like. This is for when you are making like your corset. This tool can be used in clothes making, bag making, jewelry making. It has a lot of benefits, and I can't wait to try it out with you guys. So I got this particular one for 8,311 naira as at the time of purchase. So I'll set this aside now. I will move to the next. This is one of my favorite here. So this is a tape maker set, a bias tape maker set, and it came in 4 different sizes. As you can see, I have the size 6, the size 12, the size 18, and size 25. And it says create your own tape, your own bias tape in minutes. So guys, we're going to be trying this out in another video. So I got this set for 7,332 naira at the time of purchase. So I'll set this aside now while we move to the next thing. So the next item on our list is a set of 32 pre-wound bobbins and sewing threads in various colors. So I have 36 pieces of pre-wound bobbins here in different colors. Guys, you know how important this thing is when it comes to sewing, and it's actually great to have 36 colors all in one. So any color you need, you just go ahead to pick and use while sewing. And I got this for 6,073 naira at the time of purchase. So I'll set this aside now. I will check out the other one. So the next item on our list is this 20 pieces colorful plastic clamps. So this is used to hold your fabric in place when you don't want to use your pin. You know, there are some fabrics that when you use your pin to hold it together, it leaves tiny holes on it. In cases like that, you need clips like this to secure your fabric. And I have 20 pieces here. You can see what it looks like, very tiny and colorful. I have 20 pieces of it, and I got it for 1,928 naira at the time of purchase. The next item on our list is this 10 pieces colorful tailor's chalk set. So it came in a case like this. It came in a case like this, as you can see, and I have 10 pieces of different colors of tailor's chalk in a case. It is so beautiful and portable, and I got this for 1,973 naira only at the time of purchase. The next thing on our list is this dual purpose magnetic sewing guide with scale. So this is a magnetic sewing guide. So this part has a magnet, and this side has a scale. So this magnetic sewing guide is meant to guide your seam when sewing. There's a way you place it on your sewing machine. I'm still going to show you guys all this in another video. You place it on your sewing machine when sewing, so it helps you to achieve a straight seam when sewing. I'll show you guys how to use all of this in another video. So the next item on my list, and one of my favorites, is this human template ruler. Guys, this item is a must buy for every fashion designer or every sewist. So this is a human template ruler. So a lot of people don't really know how to like sketch out the human body. Maybe you want to just sketch out a style for a customer, and this is like the foundation of how the dress will come out. If you can't sketch your human body very well, then your sketch cannot come out very well either. So this ruler is showing the human body. So you just go ahead to trace this on your sketch pad. So this is a very, very handy tool for every fashion designer, especially if you love to sketch out your work before you bring it to real life. So I got this for 2,401 naira, and I can't wait to try it out. It is so lovely. This is it. So I'll show you guys in another video. So we're going to put all this into test in another video. So the next item is this sewing chalk marker pencils. So it's still a sewing chalk, but it comes in the form of pencil, as you guys can see. So this is a very handy tool for fashion designers as well, and I can't wait to try it out. And I got these three for 1,310 naira, as you can see. So you can always sharpen as it's going down. You can always just sharpen it and you are good to go. The last item on our list. So this is 3 pieces elastic belt threader. Say it's a clip threader, a rope threader. So instead of using your pin to pass in your elastic band, this particular tool can be used to pass in your elastic band. As you can see, this is what it looks like, and I got 3 pieces of it. So we're going to try out all these tools in another video so that you guys can understand how it works. We can't do everything in one because the video will be too long. So guys, that is all we'll be unboxing today. I think I unboxed about 13 different sewing accessories in this video. So in another video, I'm going to show you guys how to use these tools, their functions, and all of that. So guys, don't forget to search my code alc383570 in the Temu app to get 100,000 naira coupon bundle. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing video. I'm going to leave the link of all the items we unboxed in the description box and also in the comment section. So guys, I'll see you guys in the next video, which is going to be us trying out some of these tools that we unboxed today. Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.